Hey guys, it's Kara here today, and today I'm going to be doing some experiments with food. So I'm going to take a pot, and then I'm going to fill it up with water. I'm also going to fill it up with cold water. So I'm going to put about this much, and I'm going to put it on a burner and turn the burner on. Then let it boil. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. So first experiment, I'm just going to put like one or two of these in here, and we'll just see what it looks like. Alright, so I unwrapped it. So I'm just going to put one in here now. Well, I'm going to peel the other one, and alright, so I'm going to drop both of them in now. Let's turn it off. We're going to see if it does anything. They're like melting. It's kind of cool. It's fogging up the camera. Yeah, it turned like green. It's fogging up the camera. So that was pretty cool. I mean, they're like fizzing kind of. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, because it's kind of like raising, so I'm gonna put it in a bigger bowl. So this is what it looks like in the different pot. Kind of like the same, but it looks a little bit different. So I'm going to go in my pantry and see if there's anything. Alright, I found these noodles. So I'm going to put these noodles into the thing and see what happens. Okay guys, it just started overflowing. So we put the noodles in, and now we're just stirring it. I don't even know what it's going to do. So yeah, this is I don't even know if this is okay to eat. I'm not eating it, but this is interesting. Alrighty guys, I'm going to try another experiment. So I got another pan, and we're going to put it on a different burner and fill this one up with water also. Okay, and on this one, I put a tiny bit of water because on this one I'm going to be doing spices. Alright, so let's put it on the burner. Alright, so I just want you guys to know, I did not put, I put water, but, not a lot, if you can, see. I only filled it up till about right, there. So, yeah. So these are all the spices I'm going to use. First one up. Up next. I can't really see that one. Up next. Next. Up next. That one comes out fast. These are kind of like seeds. And last but not least. Okay, so this is what it turned out. It's just all spices, and it's really weird when you mix it. But it smells really good. So this one is pretty weird, but it smells really good. So yeah, that one was a pretty cool experiment. So this is the final. This is what it turned out. Yeah, it caught up in the middle, so. Alright guys, so the next experiment we're going to do is we're going to fill this up, and then we're going to put it on the stove, and you'll see what we're going to do. Okay, so I put about this much water. I'm just gonna let it sit. And the special ingredient is, dun dun dun, coconut oil. So we're gonna be taking this and putting it in here and seeing what it does. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna put it in the boiling hot water. See what it does. Does it react to it? That's cool. It looks like it smoothed out. I'll turn the stove off. I'm gonna move it to a different burner. That's kind of weird. If you can see that little bubble it's in right there, it looks like it just melted all the coconut and it's like oil. See, it's like melting. Yeah, it's like melting too. And that little bubble is all the oil, like the coconut oil. That is so cool. It looks like a big contact. It is melting and that little bubble is expanding.
That's cool.
So yeah, it was that big and it's now that big. So the bubble turned into like a circle and the thing Shush.
Wow.
And the thing is like
it's
tiny. Oh yeah, the coconut is right there and now it's gone. And shush. And the bubble is now on the sides. Shut up. Really cool because you can see
That's awesome.
Oh my god. That's really cool because you can see like the bubble went on the edges and it's like it circled. Oh my god.
Amazing.
It circled the middle. Zach, be quiet. It circled the middle and then it outlined it. That's really cool. So, yeah. How can you tell around the edge it's like a bubble? It's like when I move it, it still stays there. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to get a spoon and lift it up. See, this one over there, it switches spots. Okay, I got one piece. It's that's really weird. So I'm going to stir it and see how that reacts. Alrighty guys, I've been stirring it for a minute, so I'm just going to stop stirring it now. The bubbles all turned, the big bubble, all turned into tiny, tiny, tiny little bubbles, all around the middle. And in the camera, it looks like a reflection, and it looks really, really cool. This one turned out really, really cool, and yeah, this one was cool. So that was that one. So that is the end of the video for today. I hope you guys liked all those experiments. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.